Welcome to Peacock, Jaguar, Land Rover, Columbia. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our extensive inventory, and comes equipped with steering wheel controls, navigation, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, bi-xenon HID headlamps, keyless entry, parking sensors, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Peacock, Jaguar, Land Rover, Columbia, we put our customers at the center of our business model. We do much more than just sell cars. We strive to provide every service our valued customers may need, including competitive financing opportunities and excellent lease deals. Our ultimate goal is simple: 0 dissatisfied customers. So come see us today and drive home in a vehicle that is just right for you. We're located at 540 Jamil Road in Columbia.